Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Husaifa. I will introduce myself first and my name is Nur Zazin Hayati binti Khairul Faizi S33716. For your information, I already training industrial at Pusat Pertanian Air Hitam Johor, and my special project is about urban farming with system fertigation IoT. The content of this slide is about organization background, activity, industry training, and then about the space project, and finally is about conclusion. The next slide is about the organizational background. Agriculture Center Hita was established in 1930, and then this center always make the meeting from Department of the Agriculture, HQ, event and others. But this center always make the training for entrepreneurship or youths in Johorian only. This center always give the services for the sharing about knowledge about the smart farming, foods, and landscape and others. Right, we move the next slide is about activity during industrial training. I joined a cooking courses like make a multi-bun, cake, make a soya, and the tempeh. Next is I learned how to make grafting in the drum plant, and next is preparation of paste for tilapia fish. This is for agrotourism. Other than that, the next activity is about I learn and know how pupil at agriculture center seedling the chilies, like just storage the seedlings in the box, and then I joined the harvested the live fruit from the harvest, grading, and lastly is selling. The next slide is about special project, and the title of the special project is Urban Farming with System Fertigation IoT. The next is introduction. Before that, what is urban farming? Urban farming is the practice of cultivating crops, livestock, or other types of food in an urban environment. For your information, I get this task from the head of agriculture center to make the urban farming in Fertigation, because they want to expose about urban farming. So when the pupil come on the courses or join the activity, they can overcome their awareness to join or to make a urban farming at their homes. So I make the decision to make or to plant the Brazilian spinach, aromatic ginger, American black nightshade or meranti, and last but not least is Vietnam coriander. The next slide can show about methodology and result, and have the 4 steps. Firstly is site preparation, selection of planting material, preparation of the polybag, and last but not least is crop maintenance and management. Okay, for the first step is about site selection and preparation, which is Puan Zilah binti Yaakob as the head of development bring me and show to me where a place to project, and then major asset project because I should to make the layout before starting the project, and then I should to present with the head of agriculture center to needed their decision or agree about the planning, management, and of the types of the planting. For your information, this area, the length is 26.1 meter and the width is 5.33 meter, and the total of the polybag is 160 polybag. Okay, the activities of selection or preparation, which is its weeding. We should to remove the weeds in each polybag before the next work. Next is flushing the media. It is function for cleaning the chemical material before we started the new plant. And then last but not least is work the media with organic fertilizer. It is because for give the fertile in the media, and it is give the good site to the plant to grow well. The next step is about selection of planting material. Before we plant, we should select the seed based on good range, freedom from illness or attack by pests, and last but not least is maintain the seedlings. So for the Brazilian spinach, usually we plant using the propagated. So we just cut the branch and then just plant in polybag. Okay, the second plant is about aromatic ginger. Usually we use the rhizome and direct planting to polybag. So we can see after 2 weeks the aromatic ginger give the result with have 2 leaf after planting. Okay, the next one is about Meranti. Meranti is cannot to direct into the polybag because possibility to live is 0. So I take the action to prepare the media like pigments to seedlings, the Meranti, and after 3 weeks I should to move the seedlings into the polybag. Last but not least, of the types of the plant is Vietnam coriander. Other name is daun kesum. Okay, the plant is same with the Brazilian spinach. We use the propagated to planting, but make sure the irrigation or the media is always moist and have the water, because usually the daun kesum always like in the watering area. But in this project I try to plant in the polybag. The third step is about preparation polybag. For your information, every row have the 40 polybag, and so every pants just use 40 polybag, and the total is 160 polybag. And in this slide I can show about the distance between the polybags, which is 1 feet and 1.5 meter. Okay, the next is about crop maintenance and management. They have the 3 management like watering, fertilization, and weeding. For the first is about watering. I use the nipple drinker and system fertigation, which is the water can supply with 1 hour per once. And next is fertilization. Use the NPK green. For the yearly stage is 10 gram, and the next stage is 30 to 40 gram. For your information, for in this stage I try to use the set A and set B, but it's not suitable and give the plant is die and yellowish. So the next is about the weeding. They are unwanted plant because they can disrupt the main plant for create competition for fertilizer and water. Okay, we move the next slide is about result and expected result. So Brazilian spinach, I take the record of height of the plant in during weeks 2, but I make the expected result from week 3 to 5 is same with aromatic ginger. I take the record of the average length of the leaf until week 2, but the expected result is from week 3 to the week 10. Okay, for Meranti and Nangkosum is the same with the Brazilian spinach and aromatic ginger. I take the record from week 1 until week 2 only, but I have the expected result on this plant, which is for the Meranti is starting from week 3 into week 8. But Nangkosum I starting plan lately a bit late, but I make the expected result in daun kosong too. Alright, the expected harvesting for the Brazilian spinach and Vietnam coriander is the same, harvested between 45 to 50 days already to harvest. And next, the aromatic ginger and Meranti is a bit late, is 50 to 45 days. Okay, it is for discussion, which is the nipple always prolong and unable to expel the water. So I should take the action to check one by one the nipple drinker. Next is about fertilizer concentration, which is they should the a lot or a long time to get the accurate the concentration because it can affect the plant, especially for early stage. So I change, so I get the solution. I mix the media with the soil, and then I using the NPK green for fertilizer. Alright, next slide is about problems and solution, which is the condition of the plant will during the initial stage. So I alternative to install the netting with 70% to give protect to the seedlings to avoid from yellowish and wilt. The next problem is about the plant attacked by pests. I use the garlic oil extract with 50 ml every mix and I spray to the plant. Alright, in conclusion, I get the new experiment and then how to starting until the harvesting the project. Other than that, I get the new knowledge and experience how to handle the system through the smartphone. It is easy for me to handle it, and it's easy for the farmers to use this fertigation because we can handle through the smartphone. Okay, beneficial industry training from me is about I can improve my skill about using the system application. Even I was learned with the teacher, and every place is every technique or technologies. So recommendation from me, I hope many industry in agriculture give the opportunity to the student or pupil to get the new experience and knowledge because in this era technology is very advanced, so we should learn and how every sector especially in agriculture sector using it and expose to the pupil. This is from me and thank you.